Hi friends, this is the rate Monk, and today we are with the Oppo K1. And what we are going to do in this video, we are going to do the unboxing of the device. We will show how to register the fingerprint sensor because the device comes with the in-display fingerprint sensor. We will also tell you about the camera features, face unlock and other things. So keep watching the video for more updates in detail. Now here we are with the box and we are going to do the unboxing of the device. In the front you can see already the in-display fingerprint sensor is shown, and at the back what it is written, it is given 4GB and 64GB, 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage. This is the Astral blue color. Talking about the front camera, it is 25 megapixel, the rear camera is 16 plus 2 megapixel, and it comes with a 6.41 inch. And talking about the battery, it is 3600 milliampere. The price is not written on the box, but it will be described in the description section below. We still don't know the price of the device. Now we will do the unboxing. I will put a video a little faster so that you don't get bored here. We will take out the polythene wrapper and we will just unbox the device and check out the box content. So what we have here is, in the box what we are getting is the SIM card ejector tool is present in the box, and also we are getting some manuals, paper manuals, and there is a silicone back cover. Now talking about the paperwork, there is an information guide present in the box, and there is also the quick start guide. So this is what we are getting. This is not a retail unit, so definitely you will get a warranty card with the box. And here is the in-display fingerprint sensor showing on the case of the Oppo K1. Now here you can see the device looks pretty gorgeous. It is the Astral blue color. We will switch it on, let it get booted. At the same time we will check it out and the other things at the same time. Now inside the box what we are getting is the charger. Here you can see the charger. You can pause the video and check the charger rating here. I am not going to tell the charger rating. It is not a VOOC charger for sure, that I can tell you, but we have to test and try and test that it is a fast charger or not. Talking about the cable, it is coming with the micro USB cable, and here you can check it is a micro USB cable, not a type C. It can be used for the data transfer and also charging of the phone. So this is what we are getting in the box, and also there is the earphones coming with the box. The earphones looks pretty much premium. It is not an ordinary earphone. So here you can see, and it looks pretty much premium in the device segment. So this is what we are getting in the box content. Talking about the face unlock registration, the fingerprint registration, we will go and choose the other method. Here we are getting a pattern unlock, so I prefer pattern unlock over the passcode. So here we put the pattern unlock, and now we will going to do the enroll of the face. Here you can check. So the face unlock takes less than 30 seconds, so it is quite a faster way to register the face unlock, and I haven't tried that in a low light situation, but it works well. Now talking about the fingerprint sensor, here you can see it will first register your inner prints and then it will go to the outer prints. The fingerprint registration is a very easy process to do that, and you can do for a multiple process. I haven't tried and tested, but you can register multiple fingerprints also for sure. But I will also let you know in the video later on that it can register the multiple fingerprints or not. Talking about the fingerprint registration, it is already done, and here we are done with the fingerprint, face unlock and the pattern code. So already the security has been checked. Now coming to the device, it is comes with the ColorOS 5.2, and definitely this is the running on 8.1. Talking about the device, it is also getting the smart assistant. This is Oppo's inbuilt ColorOS 5.2 feature which you will get with the device. It will tell you whether and the other cards will be there. Now talking about the design, here you can see it comes with a 6.41 inch AMOLED display. On the side you are getting a power button, and on the back you are getting a dual camera setup which is 16 plus 2 megapixel with LED flash. Now talking about the back, there is a Oppo branding given at the back, and it has a glossy finish. Now coming to the side, it has a volume rocker keys where you can see there is also the SIM card slot given here. We will take out the slot. Here you can see it comes with the dual nano SIM card slot and also a micro SD card slot. So this is a good thing because you are getting a dedicated slot. On the top you are getting a noise cancellation mic slot, and coming to the bottom part, what we are getting is the micro USB charging slot. There is a 3.5mm jack, and also there is a speakers given in the bottom. There is also a nice cancellation given in the bottom. Now talking about the display, it comes with a 6.41 inch AMOLED display. It looks pretty much gorgeous and it has a full HD plus resolution. Now talking about the protection, it comes with the Gorilla Glass 5 screen display. Now we will show you the how the in-display fingerprint sensor works. Here is the demo of it. It works very smoothly and it unlocks in a snap of a second. And talking about the fingerprint sensor, you will get some animation style. It includes the gray, the moonlight and the gravity. These are the three styles you can play it around. I like the gravity, though it is up to you that which style you like and which one you want to use it. So this is how it is done. I have already shown you how to register your fingerprint. It can be done for a multiple fingers. Now talking about the face unlock, it also works very smoothly. I haven't tried and tested in the low light scenario, but in the normal scenario it works very smoothly. Here you can check it out. Now talking about the device, we will talk about the other things. What we are getting here is a small shortcut where you are getting the screen recording and each and everything, which includes the Facebook shortcut, YouTube and other things. It is given because of the ColorOS 5.2 inbuilt in the device. And talking about the notification settings, you don't get too much things. Talking about the fingerprint, face unlock and the passcode, you can also do the fingerprint sensor. Here I will show you. You can register multiple fingerprints for your device, so it is definitely easy thing to do that, and it works as smooth as the physical fingerprint, so there is nothing on that. And you can also unlock lock your apps and also do a privacy setting. Now talking about the specification of Oppo K1, it comes with a display of 6.41 inch FHD plus display. It has a processor of octa-core 660, which is Snapdragon processor. It comes with a 4GB of RAM, 64GB internal storage. Talking about the OS, it is running on Android 8.1 Oreo, running on with Color OS 5.2 on top of it, and it works pretty smooth, and definitely there is no word on giving the update when it will get the Pi, but it also comes with the game space, which will enhance your gaming experience. It will boost your RAM and also stop the kill the apps which are running in the background. Now talking about the app split, it has the function there. It also comes with the clone app where you can sign in with multiple Facebook accounts using in the Facebook. Now talking about the smart and convenient, here you get the navigation keys, sliders, you can change them, you can play it around with. There are some gesture feature. Talking about the battery, it comes with a 3600 milliampere battery. There is a power saving option present in the battery, and this is what we are getting. Now talking about the tethering, it has the Wi-Fi tethering in the system. This is just a general thing, but these are all the features what you are getting in the OS. Now talking about the software experience, definitely you don't get a lot of software in the device. The bloatware is not coming in the device. I will also tell you that PUBG, Antatu Benchmark, Geeky Benchmark are installed by us, so definitely they are not come within the device. And there are some of the features like the hot apps. It will let you know the trending apps and you can install them directly other than the Play Store. Now talking about the game apps, here you will also get the trending games and you can install them. Now talking about the camera, which is an important segment, here we have the rear camera with 16 plus 2 megapixel camera, where the 16 megapixel is coming with the f1.7 aperture and the 2 megapixel is the depth sensor coming with the f2.4. And this is what we are getting in the rear camera setup. There is a LED flash at the back. In the front, what we are getting is the 25 megapixel with the aperture f2.0. Now talking about the front camera, it also works for the face unlocking feature, and definitely the selfies will be better because it is coming with the 25 megapixel camera, and also Oppo is known for the selfies. Now talking about the camera app, we will go and try and check it. So here we are inside the camera app. It looks pretty much similar what we have seen the earlier Oppo camera apps. Now talking about the screen resolution, here you can change the camera resolution to standard, square or full screen. There is also a timer and SDR mode. The SDR mode is present. You can manually switch it on or off and put it on auto mode. Now talking about, there is also a flash coming with the device, so which you can play it around. Now there are some modes given which we have seen earlier. These are normal modes including the time lapse, video, photo, portrait, sticker, pano, expert mode are given. Talking about the video mode, it can shoot 4K video for the back. In the front you can shoot full HD and HD video. So this is what you are getting in the camera segment. And talking about the rear camera, you also get this stickers and the portrait mode. Portrait mode is usually to blur the picture, and the 2 megapixel depth sensor will come into the picture in this segment. It has some of the more modes inside the portrait to try and test it. Now this is what we are getting in the Oppo K1 unboxing, and the other features what I have already told. Now this is the Astra blue color. There will be another color which is a piano black color, and this will be going on sale through Flipkart, and it will be under 20,000 what we expect. And this is all about the Oppo K1. This at the rate I Old Monk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.